Have you ever felt stuck in a creative rut or struggled with confidence? Like something's just holding you back? What if the key to breaking through lies in something simple yet powerful? Stick around because today we're unlocking how to activate your sun aura and how it could transform your confidence and creativity. So let's dive into the amazing benefits of activating your sun energy. First up, confidence. When your inner energy aligns with your true self, start to radiate confidence. Do you know someone who just lights up a room? Or has anyone ever said that to you at a certain point in your life? That energy and confidence becomes magnetic, drawing people to you and opening doors to new opportunities. Whether you're tackling a new project, speaking up in a meeting, or just living your day-to-day life, sun energy can make you feel more capable and confident. If this is something you're struggling with right now, one way to start accessing this energy may be to ask yourself, when do you feel most comfortable and confident in your own skin? Even if you're practicing all alone, what would give you those moments of feeling that sense of ease? Next, let's talk about creativity. When you're tapped into your sun energy, it unlocks a flow of inspiration. The sun aura is connected to your personal power and willpower, which fuels your ability to create. It can be difficult to create if you have a negative sense of self or a weak will, which can become like a creative impotency. If you've ever felt stuck or uninspired like this, activating your sun aura can help you get into the zone, whether you're working on a passion project, a new business, or finding new ways to solve problems in your life. If this is a challenge for you and feels difficult to access, one baby step that might help is identifying, is there any area in your life right now that does have forward movement that you can build upon? Or is there a way you can clear out any old, stagnant energy? Sun energy is connected to the heart and circulation. So for proper flow, a great start may be to clear out any old matter that isn't serving you, to make room for the new, or what you may want to create next. Another huge benefit of unlocking your sun aura is the way it helps you radiate positivity. When you access your sun energy, you start to feel more grounded and peaceful within yourself. This positivity becomes contagious, and you begin to attract more good energy and positive experiences into your life. It's about feeling at peace with who you are and letting that inner light shine out to the world. Personally, I've struggled a lot with depression in my life, and one of the simplest hacks that I've found most effective to lift my mood is going outside to get some sunlight as early in the morning as possible. It's shocking how easily we become small when depressed and start drawing the curtains, both literally and figuratively. A small step towards positivity that I can recommend from my experience would be to get more sunlight and light in general in your life. Even a small lamp or twinkle lights may lift your mood and spark joy. In my next videos, I'll go over practical ways you can access this powerful energy, both in general and eventually for your specific sun sign and placements. You'll find those future videos in my playlist tab. Thanks for watching and thanks for being here. Like and subscribe if you want to see more, and until next time, bye!